Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS CloudWatch to Redshift for monitoring pipelines. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudWatch Service dashboard. In the left-hand menu, select Logs. Identify the log group associated with your Redshift cluster. If a log group does not exist, you'll need to create one. Next, go to your Redshift cluster in the Redshift console. Select the Configuration tab. Ensure that Enhanced VPC routing is enabled for your cluster. This usually aids in better log management. Scroll down to find the logging section. Enable usage and connection logging if they are not already activated. Select the S3 bucket where you want to store the log files. Make sure the S3 bucket has the correct permissions set for Redshift to write logs. Now, go back to the CloudWatch dashboard. Select log groups from the left menu again. Click on the log group you created for Redshift. Here, you can create metric filters based on your log data. Select Create Metric Filter. Define a filter pattern that suits your needs, such as error messages or specific queries. Test the pattern to ensure it captures the desired log events. Once confirmed, click on Next. Now, provide a name for your new metric. Choose the log metric namespace that distinguishes these logs from others. Click Next to review your settings. If everything looks good, click Create Metric Filter. Return to CloudWatch and navigate to the Alarms section. Click on Create Alarm. Choose the metric you just created from the list. Set your threshold for the alarm, based on your monitoring requirements. Configure the notification options to specify who receives alerts. Review all the settings and click Create Alarm. Your CloudWatch is now set to monitor your Redshift pipeline logs. To visualize this data, consider creating a CloudWatch dashboard. Navigate to Dashboards in the left menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.